The Peruvian Amazonas holds one of the world's greatest biodiversities, yet it is also a land of extreme risk, shaped by harsh climate, dense jungle, and remote terrain. When aircraft accidents occur in the heart of the rainforest, our teams deploy with drones, GPS navigation, and air-to-ground coordination to locate and evacuate survivors. In flooded areas and powerful rivers, our rescuers are trained in swift water operations, using inflatable boats, flotation gear, and advanced river rescue techniques. In isolated communities, we provide primary medical care and emergency evacuations where roads cannot reach, relying on river transport and satellite communication. And in the most inaccessible jungle, we advance with survival expertise, rope systems, and vertical rescue operations, ensuring a response where few can operate.